draw with Astro Draw. Hi everyone! I'm Yasmin. I'm going to teach you how to draw Wednesday Addams in a cute chibi style. Grab your pencils and let's draw together. First, let's start by drawing Wednesday's face. Make a U shape to form her face. Next, draw her round hair. And her pony. Continue by drawing her eyes and eyebrows. And then add her ears. After that, draw her iconic braided hair. Next, draw her dress. Then continue by drawing her arms and legs. Now it's time to color our drawing. Use gray for her hair and dress. Great! For her skin, use the color that you think is best. Cool! Use dark red for her lips. And pink for her cheeks to make her even cuter. Excellent! Finally, use black for her shoes. And add white dots to her dress. Awesome! And voila! This is Wednesday Addams in a cute chibi style. Don't forget to share your drawing with us. And subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.